Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So this is going to be my first colorful wave of the series. Well, actually the second. I did a kickoff with a rainbow, but I'm going to do 4 more. And I'm starting it off with purple. So my base is going to be white. And today I'm actually using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and my normal Floetrol mixture. I put a little bit of GAC 800 in that and some water. All right, so colors I'll be using today is I have some Arteza Iridescent Plum, Electric Plum Purple. I have some Blick Fluorescent Violet. I have some Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. I have Liquitex Basics Brilliant Purple, all purples. Then I have a Light Blue Violet by Liquitex Basics. Then I have some Antique Copper by Folk Art. It's a treasure gold, and it's very, to me, it looks purpley. So I'm going to put a little of that in there. And some Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash. So it's going to be very purple. All right, so if I feel like it needs something else to give it a little highlights, I will put something else in it. But as of right now, they are the colors that I'm using. Might put a little gold in there, though. A little 24 karat by Deco Art. This is my cell activator. I don't put any silicone in my paints, but I do when I swipe my wave, after I swipe the wave, when I add in the foamy look that I like to my waves, I add in the white with a drop of silicone. That's what I like to put in my paint, but I don't put them in all the colors, just in the white that I swipe a little bit in. All right. I hope you enjoy this series, and if you have any suggestions of colors, instead of just the random or a fun idea, hit me up, all right? If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. All right, here we go.
I know that you know I saw it. Your words like little knives. Thought you would have fought it. Can't say that I was surprised. Oh, 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 oh. I'm so done with you. So done with you. And I thought you'd changed, but you go back to the same old ways. Yeah, I'm so done with you. I hope that it made you feel good. Shot for the other boys. Give my thanks only like an ex could. Now I know I made the right choice. Oh, 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 oh. So done with you. And I thought you'd changed, but you go back to the same old Clouds roll by, glittering. I never thought they would let me in. A fading light, a distant call. The devil will never be welcome here at all. The sky is gray, I guess that's what it takes to feel a little lonely is a stay. Do you feel our love is the only thing that is real? It's like a heart with nothing to conceal, nothing more. Lesson learned, a slight state of hope that you will return. It's what I got, and then the summer turned into fall. Waited here just for you, caught in the moment of finally getting through. Fading light, a distant call. I do not remember those days at all, but I will never be here if it wasn't true. So let me be the one to hold you. Do you feel our love is the only thing that is real? It's like a heart with nothing to conceal. Now